amathimba futhi ayasayida, amathimba announce ama-signings athi welcome to Jom. Within the period of 2 hours, iphinde announce first ithi thank you Kwayiba as he returns back to Chippa United. Guess what? The one and only Miguel Cardoso uthi back in office. Back in office. Isandawuzi bafethu ipostile ukuthi the boss are back. Abafana besitali they are back. Lesizile isizoba yini nje la Fake Cop. One thing yemini besadazi bafethu ayinakaziswa amanye ama-teams ayinakaziswa ama-fan awu-57. Ukhathi bafethu uthe back in office elapha abantu balinde i-Sundowns i-announce uCoach Pitso ithi welcome to the Yellow Nation. Coach Pitso Msimani uToni Cardoso uthi ngizizomzila akiyakazi angiyindawo. Mina bafethu ngiyabona ama-signings wenu. You can sign as many players as you can and you can also release as many players as you can. But ele Coach Cardoso ku-Sundowns abafethu icopha umlando. Mina ngikhumbula i-soccer bread ithe after AFCON uCardoso uyahamba i-Sundowns announce uPitso. Ubani uPeter ubani lo jambanga lo uDon Cardoso nakhona uyiposte i-office yakhe ama-HP akayinto.